Namaste and welcome viewers. This is Varsha Gore, Senior Clinical Dietitian from Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. We welcome you one and all, not only you but your family members also. This has been a pandemic time and we have spent quarter of a year in this. We are sitting in a house but we are worried what we should be eating, and if we are eating, are we eating the right food or not? So today, along with our chef Prathamesh, we'll taking you through a journey of few recipes which you can do in your day-to-day daily time. I will be not taking up the very difficult recipes because we do understand there is challenge in preparation. So what is all good nutrition about? Good nutrition is about eating all the food groups. Plus, to boost immunity, we talk about high biological value proteins and good antioxidants. So where are these antioxidants coming from? Antioxidants are there in our house, they are there in our medicines because your own spices such as ginger, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, when they are used in our day-to-day cooking, even in smaller shots or even in a smaller pinch full of amounts, they are becoming a medicine. So today we will be demonstrating few recipes. We will start with a kadha followed by golden milk and ABC juice. In between we definitely feel hungry and our children and we feel a bite, and that bite will be taken care by our NutriBar, and the most super hit item or the recipe would be rainbow salad.
Namaste everyone, I am Chef Prathamesh. Now let us start with our first recipe, which is kadha. So I'll show you the ingredients for the kadha. Here we have some cinnamon sticks, some cardamom pods, whole black peppercorns, tulsi, which is holy basil and which is also readily available in the market and also at home. We have some ginger root and some turmeric root. So to begin with, we take 500 milliliters of water and then set it on a boil. When it starts boiling, we'll add all these ingredients together and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is reduced to half. Then we'll strain it and we can have this kadha hot so that it soothes our throat and also acts as an deterrent to cough and cold.
Hot soothing beverages are always soothing for our throat and to treat us with cold, cough and infection. If it is your small child in the house, you can just add 2 spoons of this kadha. As senior members or as aged, we can take a glass full of it. How it really helps is that not only it soothes our system, but it helps us to relieve the phlegm, the mucus which is getting generated and which causes a lot of cough. So if you are even drinking lesser water, it can fulfill the needs of hydration.
The second recipe which we are going to see is turmeric milk, which is also called as turmeric latte and is in fashion these days. It is very simple with minimal ingredients. So the ingredients for these are 200 ml of full fat milk, cinnamon powder, some turmeric powder and sugar if you like it. You can also substitute it with low calorie sugar like stevia, or you can also substitute it with sugar free. So to begin with, we just take the milk and start boiling the milk. Once it reaches the boiling point, then we can add some sugar and some turmeric powder to the milk. Then simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes and we can serve. When we serve it, we add some cinnamon powder for the garnish.
This is golden milk, which as all you know is turmeric milk or haldi wala doodh. To us as a nutritionist, it is the curcumin or the potent medicinal antioxidant which has been most effective in our respiratory disorders. It can prevent as well as treat all the respiratory ailments. Now we find at times you may not be able to do turmeric milk, but you know the importance of turmeric. So in that case, you can take equal proportion of turmeric, mix it with little bit of honey or jaggery and just gulp it with small balls with hot water.
So the third recipe for the day is rainbow salad. So let us see the ingredients for the salad. Here we have some boiled beetroot which are diced, some French beans, some orange zest which are very rich in vitamin C, which is also diced, some cottage cheese, bell peppers, red cabbage, diced carrots, American corn and some broccoli florets. All these vegetables are blanched except for the bell peppers and the cottage cheese. So let's start making the salad. So what we'll do is we'll take all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. I am doing this for a single serving, so you can add more if there are more servings to be done. To this, we'll add some olives as they are rich in antioxidants. For this salad, the dressing what we are using is a lemon vinaigrette. It is very simple. You take 10 ml of olive oil. To this, you add 5 ml of lemon juice, some herbs and mustard. So the dressing is already ready here. We'll just put some of this dressing into the salad. It also has salt and pepper, so no need to season separately. Then you can toss this up. The salad is ready. We can now plate this up. For plating, we can use some lettuce leaves. To finish this up, we can garnish it with some chopped parsley or chopped chives. Here, our salad is ready.
Rainbow salad. As the name suggests, it has so many different colors, just like a rainbow. You have green, you have white, yellow, orange, red and purple. Significance of each color is associated with each nutrient. So even if you don't remember which nutrient are you consuming, but let me just give you an example. The yellow orange colors add to vitamin C as well as beta carotene, that is vitamin A. The green, which is there in lettuce and broccoli, has good source of iron as well as calcium. Whites is rich in zinc and other micronutrients. And the protein is taken care by adding paneer. Alternatively, you can also replace with boiled eggs or chicken. It's a very wholesome, nutritious meal and very simple to cook.
The next recipe which we are going to see is a very healthy, hearty and wholesome dark chocolate Nutri-Bar. So the ingredients for that are, first up is the dark chocolate compound, some pumpkin seeds, some almonds. You can also use puffed rice, oats, cornflakes and whatever cereals you like to this Nutri-Bar to make it healthy and hearty. To begin with, we start melting the dark chocolate compound on a double boiler. Double boiler is which has water boiling underneath and a bowl is placed on top of that. This is done in order to temper the chocolate to the desired temperature. So once the chocolate is melted, we'll add all the ingredients to it and then mix it well. We'll take a tray and set all the ingredients together and give it a shape which you like. You can cut it into fingers, cut it into roundels, you can roll it into a chocolate and all the shapes which you like, you can do it with this chocolate bar.
This chocolate homemade bars are indeed nutritious because the control of ingredients lies in your hand. Very little of dark chocolate with nuts add to omega-3 fatty acids. It adds to proteins and much more lesser sugar than what you get in commercially or in the markets.
Next recipe is a very healthy juice which is also called as a ABC juice because the ingredients which are apple, beetroot and carrot. A very simple recipe. What we do is we take a carrot, 2 apples and a beetroot. Peel the beetroot, then cut all the ingredients roughly. What we need to do is blend all the ingredients into a food processor or a mixer. Then we pass it through a sieve and our juice is ready. If you want, you can add some sugar for taste or you can also add some healthy substitutes like sugar-free or stevia.
For the goodness of health, you can have ABC juice. ABC is, as you know, apple, beetroot and carrot. You get the powerful antioxidants which are there in carrots because they add to vitamin A in form of beta carotene. You get iron as well as the zinc and the selenium. When you are ill or sick and whenever you are down with energy, this is one juice which can really pep up your health. To further stimulate, Probably you can add a dash of lime or sprinkle some dates and make it much more wholesome. So today we have demonstrated a couple of recipes starting with kadha, your salads and the NutriBar. Please try it at home, and if you inculcate this in your daily diet, we are sure that it's going to make your life very happy and healthy. Thank you.